Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing both devices. Make sure the Rockerz 430 has some charge and your phone's Bluetooth is enabled. Once done, open your phone's voice assistant settings so permissions are ready. This avoids interruptions later. Power on the headset and hold the pairing button briefly to enter pairing mode. Confirm you see Rockerz 430 in the phone's Bluetooth list. Tap to pair and accept any permission prompts. This establishes the audio route, so voice commands will go through the headset. Now link the voice assistant. Open the assistant app and select your Rockerz 430 as the default audio device for both input and output. Make sure microphone permissions are enabled, otherwise the assistant can't hear you. Once permissions are set, practice invoking the assistant, either say the wake phrase or press the headset's dedicated voice button. If you don't hear a cue sound, check the headset volume and phone audio routing. Adjusting these ensures clear two-way audio for reliable commands. Finish by running a few test commands. Ask for navigation, play a song, or make a call to verify function and latency. If the assistant fails to respond, first toggle Bluetooth on your phone and the headset, repair if necessary. If audio cuts or microphone is silent, reboot both devices and try again. As a troubleshooting tip, perform a factory reset on the Rockerz 430 only after other steps. This clears persistent pairing issues but wipes custom settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.